Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming today to see this Destash, and I'm calling this Christmas in July, and it is $25. This is Lot A. As with my other Destashes, uh, it will be free shipping and a free gift. So if you're interested, just email me. It will be in the description box. I generally use PayPal, but if you have another method of payment, maybe we can work something out. Also, I'm going to be posting some more destashes. So if you're interested in one, or if you're interested in more than one, then maybe we can work out a deal. For two or three or whatever you're interested in. But anyway, this is Santa on his bicycle, and there are 11 different shapes. This whole thing is going to get covered except this small area of in the background that's blue. But everything else will be covered by rhinestones. Here they are. Yeah, 11 of them. So we have gold and orange, green, pink, red, clear, some gold stars, red teardrops, some marquees that are iridescent, some round iridescent faceted ones, and some orangey pink ones. So that is Santa on his bicycle. This one is Let It Snow. This one will all be covered except the black background. There's eight different ones in this diamond painting, and there's some yellow, blue, and clear rhinestones, some round faceted iridescent ones. There's a big pack of iridescent purple ones. There's these clear hearts, some round iridescent ones, and some blue. So on the backs of these, I did normally write the where they came from and how much they were, and I did as well on these. I think except for one of them. So I think most of them were from 2022, and they were at least $5 or $6 each. The next one is this Christmas tree. It's all red and gold colors in there in the background. So for this one, there are 8 different rhinestones. Clear, orange, red, a big bag of yellow, a big bag of these gold stars, a big bag of these stars, some round faceted pinkish orange ones, and some iridescent round ones. Okay, so this Christmas tree is the main event is right here, and this is the background of the snow and ice. There are 12 different shapes in this one, and we have clear, pink, another clear, yellow, purple, a round purple, a round iridescent, a marquee purple one, a marquee iridescent, a marquee pink, a marquee gold, and a round red one. And the last one is this beautiful Christmas tree here. This one has 22 different rhinestones and shapes. So we have red, gold, green, blue, a big round red one, a smaller round red one, pink rhinestone, round green one, orange, red teardrop, clear rhinestone, 2 different sizes of purple, and we have a gold, clear, and then these swirly purple ones, some pink iridescent ones, some yellow stars, yellow flowers, some blue flowers, and then we have some pink rhinestones and some very tiny slivers there. So that is Lot A, Christmas in July. If you email me, put it in the subject line of your email that you're interested in this one. And if you want to wait and see the other ones, you can. And if you want more than one lot today, they'll ship together, so that will be cheaper for everyone involved. So thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. I appreciate your help in doing these Destashes. It makes more room for me and gives these beautiful diamond paintings and paper crafting things a new home where they're going to be used and not sit in a box and what have you. You know what I mean. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next time with something new.